Welcome to day 6 of 100 Days 100 Concepts in Python. Want to write cleaner, reusable code? Today, we are learning about functions, one of Python's most powerful features. What are functions? Functions are blocks of code that perform a specific task. Instead of repeating code, we define a function once and use it whenever needed. Like on the screen, we use the keyword def to define a function greet. To specify the code written is inside the function, just like if else or any other block of code, we keep 4 gaps of space before the code lines. For calling the function, we write its defined name and the brackets with or without arguments. Now, what are arguments or parameters? These are the name of the variable defined in the function brackets. As you can see, the name variable in the greet function. This makes the function more reusable as we can just define the name we want the system to greet when calling the same function. What are return values? Just as the value of name was printed before, functions can also return the values instead of just printing them, so you can use the returned value as you want. Talking about default parameters. When passing a parameter in the function, if we want to allow an empty parameter a default value, then we just assign it a default value on the screen as we define guest. And the first time we call it without defining, we can see guest as it is printed by the code. Now you know how to use functions in Python. Next, we'll explore lambda functions. These are anonymous functions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Python in 60 seconds.